Let's run through setting the time on our Baby G BG-1006SA. To enter time setting mode, we're going to want to press and hold our adjust button. Now we can see our seconds start flashing. We can zero our seconds by pressing forward. To enter the next setting, we're going to want to press mode. Now we can choose our time zone using our forward and reverse buttons. Mode to go to the next setting. This is daylight savings time off or on. Mode to enter our next setting, which is going to adjust our hour, again with the reverse and forward buttons. Mode again. Now we can adjust our minutes. Mode once more to change between 12 and 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again to set our year. Mode again to set our month. And mode once more to set our day. Once we're done with all that, we can simply press adjust once more, and our time will be set. Thank you guys for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks guys.